Are you tired of watching your trading account bleed, trade after trade? Sick of feeling like the market's puppet, dancing to the strings of fear and greed? Listen up, because this isn't just another trading video. This is your wake-up call. Today, we're ripping apart the mental errors that are sabotaging your success. And by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to break free from your own psychological chains and transform into a disciplined, fearless trader. Let's dive deep into the hard truths of trading psychology. We all make mental errors, but in trading, these mistakes can cost you everything. So let's start with one of the most common things: confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is seeking out information that supports your trade, ignoring anything that contradicts it. You go long or short, and suddenly every piece of data aligns with your view. But here's the danger: this tunnel vision blinds you to the risks, making you overly optimistic and unprepared for downturns. So how do we fix this? Challenge your thesis. If you want to go long, ask yourself, why might this trade fail? Look at the other side and flip the perspective. It's not easy to do, but it's crucial for balanced decision making. Next, FOMO, the fear of missing out. It's that nagging feeling when you see a trade moving in your predicted direction. I could have made so much money if I entered, you say to yourself. You chase the trade, blinded by emotion, often leading to poor decisions and terrible entries, eventually leading to losses. Learn to recognize this emotion and accept that missing a trade is not the end of the world. There's always another trade. Stick to your game plan and maintain discipline. Revenge trading, a deadly sin. You lose money, you get angry, and then you jump into another trade to make the money back. This cycle can destroy not only your psychological edge, but your entire account. If you ever enter a trade with the goal of making money back that you've already lost, you need to walk away. Simply close your screen, close down your machine, take a walk, and come back later. Don't let emotions drive your trades. Overconfidence, another killer of a day trader. You have a strong opening trade and you make significant profit, and then you think, if I risk some more, I can make even more. This mindset often leads to overtrading and substantial loss. The way around this is to impose rules on yourself. You shouldn't be increasing size after a big win. Set yourself limits, no more than 2 losing trades a day, and if you hit that, you simply walk away. One of the golden rules of day trading is to maintain and protect your capital. Track everything. Journaling isn't just busy work. It's a critical tool for self-awareness, analysis, and study. Document your trades, your emotions, and your thought process. Review regularly to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Your journal is like a mirror of your personality. It reflects your entire psychological state. If you're stressed, it will show on your trades. If you're happy, it will show on your trades. You don't really want to be either of those things. The best thing to be is neutral. Use it to understand your mistakes and adjust your strategy. Develop a system to prevent mental error. Implement strict rules and stick to them. No trading outside of your game plan. If it's not on your list, you simply don't touch it. Setting rules can seem really stringent, and it can make it more difficult to find trades, but it will make you a lot more money in the long run. So avoid bad habits. Stick to trades that make sense within your strategy. Cultivate those habits, and over time, they will continue to compound into success and more money. Mental errors don't disappear, but you can manage them. The best traders in the world are problem solvers. Identify your issues, fix them, and continuously improve. The quicker and more efficiently you do this, the more successful you're going to be. Trading is more than just charts and numbers. It's a psychological battle. Master your mind, conquer your emotions, and success will follow. If you enjoyed this video, consider joining our free Discord community where you can surround yourself with like-minded traders, get personalized advice, and grow together. Don't trade alone. Elevate your game with a supportive network.